Hi, I'm Anna. Can you actually assemble a Creality Ender 3 Pro blindfolded? Maybe you can. In this video, Zachary will build an Ender 3 Pro blindfolded. Here on Zachary 3D Prints and Gesera.
So now I'm going to open the box. I'm not going to... What time is it? Hey Google, hoe laat is het?
Het is 1:05 's middags.
12:35. So now I'm going to open the box. Here, this is blade. So this is the first time that I'm going to do a unboxing and build of a Creality 3D printer. As you can see, I didn't tape it myself. So for me it's a complete surprise what I will find in this box, because when Are you recording, by the way?
Yes.
Yes? You are recording.
Yes.
Nice. Bruh. So this is the first time that I'm going to do something like this. Between this Creality Ender 3 Pro and my first one is around 3 years. So for me, this is going to be a very weird experience, because maybe they have changed certain things and I'm going to be surprised as well as you are. So let's make the box open. Okay, here. Houston, the box is open. Okay, so that one is open as well. That's good. People, don't try this at home. Okay, so that is good. Officially, the box is open. This is an instruction manual. I'm going to put it over here. This is the heated bed with the magnetic flexible build tech plate. This is the one with, I guess, with the dragon, the Ender dragon on top of it. This is the not the touch screen. This is just with the dialing knob. This is carton. Maybe it's a very important piece to, you know. This is these are two 2020 aluminum extrusions. Since when did they come separately? This is going to be very interesting. Oh, it's been 3 years ago when I built that. Okay, so this is the power supply. I'm very curious if this is the Meanwell power supply or the Creality branded. It's very loose. Okay, this is the X-axis end stop, and so here is the extruder. There's no coupler on it. This is plastic. This is plastic still. Okay, so you got that shot?
Yes.
Yes. I am guessing that this is one part. Okay, so yeah, this is one piece. I think the box is empty. I think I have everything. Okay, so. Hey Google, hoe laat is het?
Het is 1:14 's middags.
14:30. So this part took around the 10-15 minutes, some maybe 20 minutes. But everything is out of the box. I have here some wires. So this is the back side of the printer, so that's good. What is this? Oh. This is the extruder with the bottom tube. So okay, this is the front side. So if I see, or I know from this that this is you know, wobbly, so that means that I need to make some little adjustment. So I had here some extrusions, but I'm missing something.
Zit er iets eronder?
Huh?
Zit er nog niks in de doos eronder? Yeah. Two.
Can you put this on the side?
Yes.
Here's a power cable. You have to guide me. This is the filament holder. So this is for the X-axis gantry. This is filament. This is a sample filament. This is the standard for the filament spool. The spatula. This is a bag with parts. It's a Ziploc bag. I feel some long screws, so that's good. Stepper motor for the Z-axis. So I think I have everything now. Was that you? Was I smacking you?
No.
So in this package there are the 2020 aluminum extrusions for the Z-axis but there is also one lead screw inside, so that's good. Okay, so I thought I had everything, but I didn't have everything. Everything is out of the box. I'm going to assemble this. I'm trying to. So let's assemble a Creality Ender 3 Pro. My daughter, she's very silent, so I need to guess what she's thinking. Dad is getting mad. That is one. And that is the other one. So this is the shorter one. If I'm not mistaken, there are some holes here. So this is going to be the top of the Z-axis gantry. So here are also two. This is going to be like that. Huh? This is supposed to be like that. And then we have this that goes right into here, something like that. So I need to find the right screw. But this is really short. Maybe I need to twist that. Look, haha! I found it, because this is supposed to be flat here. But then the question comes, which kind of screws are going in there? This is a filament spool holder. This is the other part. We will put this like that. This is not going to be a time trial how fast somebody can build a Creality Ender 3 blindfolded. This is just me having some fun together with my oldest daughter Sarah. So that is part one. Good. I have no idea where I just put it on. So this is a flat cable. A flat cable goes around here. My band here from the Apple Watch is magnetic, so I need to be very careful. Okay, so I've got 5 of those. Let's put that one. This one is the for the timing belt. These are already with some T-nuts. Okay, so this is for the power supply, because this is back with only 2 here. Oh wait, this is the back with the couplers. So I will put that over there. This is the end stop. Zip ties. I have no idea. 5 screws? Yeah, sometimes it happens that there are also some spare screws. This bag with screws is supposed to be for that one. But then I have here 5 screws where I'm not sure if those are going in there yet. This is a nice challenge. If you're so familiar with the Creality, and yet you are guessing. Here I have, these are short screws. Display? Yeah, that would be for the display, yes. Shall we do that first, because that's the easiest. So then I know that I have already that. So screws. Oh my gosh, come on. No, no, no. Oh, did I add it? Oh. Oh. So, So, Zachary, what were you doing this weekend? Oh, well, blindfolded, assembling Creality Ender 3. Because, you know, why not? I have 2 more. What are those for? Hey, we are getting somewhere. Nice. But these are the ones with the round top. Okay, so this is the back. Oh, that belongs there. Maybe I have already opened this back and I'm just, you know, putting it upside down. Everything falls out. That would be hilarious. I have no idea. But the display is on there. There are some small black screws that are going in from this side, but they are not go all the way through. So I think that this small bag with screws is that bag. I hear somebody laughing. These would be too big. Okay. So, because these are not too long. Why did I start with this? Can you believe that a screw was hiding itself? Also this one. Nice. So this is going well. So far so good, I guess. Okay. Okay, so that was that part. Then the moment comes that I need to put also the carriage on here before I'm going to put the other side on here as well. I'm putting this one on here. You just stay here. Did you see the reflex? Without me watching, I just hear the sound. Phew. Okay, so that's that. Then T-slot nuts. Okay, so this side is ready. This is the top, this is the back side. Okay, so perfect, nice. So there's a silicone sock on it. I think this is a different one than the ones that originally came with it. There's the end stop. So I've got here 1, 2. So the 5 screws, I think one is a spare. It's in. It's in. Woo. Yes. So this one is going in well. Hey, so the X-axis gantry is ready.
Hi, I'm Anna. If you like this video, feel free to like this video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Maybe become a YouTube member.
So I did notice that here is the end stop for the X-axis, but there isn't a metal lip on it. Still will work, but usually there is a metal clip on it so that it triggers. I have here a wire that isn't supposed to be there, so I need to check it works. Oh. So the X-axis here. Let's try to make this open. Like mentioned, this is the lead screw. Oh, I smell the grease. This is one. One of the extrusions has some 2 extra holes for the here's one hole. This is the right hand side. Screws are going in from this side because here I feel that it is a little bit wider. Nothing. Here is a screw hole, and here should also be a screw hole. Yeah. So because we have a stepper motor for the Z-axis for the lead screw, it's supposed to be going on this side. So there's a difference between the 2 bags of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th is a spare. I'll put it on the side here. I hope I don't mess up everything right over here. I need to twist it a little bit. Woo. Yeah. For some reason it looks like it's bent. All the way tight. Nice. Okay, so this works. This works. This is the other one. So now we are going to turn it that direction. This is really weird. This is really weird. I hope everything is in frame. So this is quite challenging. Okay, so the last screw is now in. Just assuming that this is all good. Yeah, this is all nice. So hey, we are getting somewhere. Just now we need to find this. That is going well. It starts to look like a printer, eh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now here the top frame, the top one. I feel that I have here the screw hole, so I'm going to put it like that. Here the smaller ones. That I feel that it is screwing in, so that's nice. That's nice. You know, if the printer is all built, of course I'm going to do the blindfold off, and then I'm letting her putting the first print on. We still need to put the power supply here on the back side, so shall we do that first? We are not following any instruction at all. On the power supply I have a bag with 2 screws. I don't know which kind of color that they have, but since that are just 2, I assume that these are also the ones for the power supply unit. And then we have the power supply unit. There is a little cable here that needs to go on that way. Oh, so that's all good. Okay, so that one, okay, so that works. That one as well. So, okay, so there is a connector. I think the magnetic plate is a little bigger than usual. It's sticking way over. Not good. So I've got here a connector, and I hope so. Okay, yeah. So that is all done. Cosmetics we are going to do a little bit later. The gantry was all right. So let's put the stepper motor on it for the Z-axis. We have a printer. We have a printer. So this one. So this is for the Z-axis. But I need to have a bag with these screws. Cool. It's supposed to be flatheads. Okay, so trying to get. Okay, doesn't feel loose, so that's good. So that one was for the X-axis. This one is for the end stop. So that one I think we can also soon install. Come on. So here. Couplers. Couplers. Where are you? Spatula. Are they still using the same? Huh. So the clip is going on here. So also a little hand stop. This is going to be fun because I need to guess. Maybe I should no. Okay, so this is the gantry. So it goes in here, then all the way over here. That's all good.
Yeah.
So, oh, hey. So, that one is done. Then there is an end stop here. So then we have one here. Here. Put the end stop in there. This end stop, the Z-axis end stop. So there are already two T-nuts on it, so that's good. Okay, so there is here a. Okay, that is in. Okay, so that is tight. That is that. So here everything is connected. I need that one. This is the. Oh, here it is. Yes. So now I'm going to put the screws with the T-nuts in there. And T-nut. Okay, so good. Or else people won't see anything. Well, I don't see anything. Guessing here. So. Okay, so that's sturdy. Do I have everything? So display is installed. Okay, I feel a spanner. That reminds me to check this because this is a little bit flimsy. There is a eccentric knot on one of the sides. So you twist it until. So here is also an eccentric knot on the bottom side. So if you see this, you see that there is quite some movement. That is good. There's also here one, two, yeah, perfect. So the wires, okay, so everything is built. Let's see the end result. Ooh. Put on my glasses. Did I miss anything? I hope not. Or else this is a big fail. So now that the filament is loaded, now Sarah is going to start a first print. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Maybe two. Top. Yeah. Rechts. Now a cat is going to be printed, of course. Finally, the Creality Ender 3 Pro is built and is printing a 3.5 hour cat. So, hey, that is nice, but we are not going to wait on that one. Building and assembling the Creality Ender 3 Pro with a blindfold was a little bit longer taking than I expected. Hey, but it wasn't a speed challenge. How fast can I build a Creality Ender 3 Pro, something like that? Because hey, blindfolded, you have to see where all screws are, right? If you're still watching this video, you are amazing. Thank you for that. You can support this channel financially on every month base. There is a YouTube channel membership. There is also a Patreon link in the description of this video. If you want to support this channel just one time, there is a thanks button. And if you don't want to spend any money at all, hey, I fully understand. There's also a way of liking this video. If you're brand new, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Peace. Bye bye.
Bye bye.